Thought I'd do y'all a little snow video today. If y'all would, please go to my channel, subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that notification bell. But everything just looks so cool, I think, with the snow on it. Don't have a whole lot here. Probably about I want to guess probably about an inch. They say we're going to get a lot more, and it is still snowing a little bit right now. But it's supposed to continue snowing the rest of the day, maybe on through the night. So we just have to wait and see what it brings, I guess. But I do love the look of everything with the snow on it. Just don't seem to be as cold out here as what I thought it would be. I mean, it's cold enough to be snowing, but it's actually thawing out a little bit on the roads and stuff out here. We'll say it's probably around, just guessing, around 33 degrees. That's these old Chevrolet trucks, Suburbans. Got cars stacked up back there behind them. Of course, we got trucks on these rows as well, and a row of trucks in front of that, and a row of trucks in front of that. These old C10s here. Chevy's on one side, Ford's on the other side. We got to keep them separated. Love the looks of the trees with the snow on them as well, especially the cedar trees and the pine trees. And down here we'll go from C10s. We've been walking with C10s for a ways. Now we'll turn into Dodge trucks in this row. Go down the rest of this whole row with Dodge trucks. Try to give you all a view of the trees back there. Like I said, I think they're just so pretty with all the snow on them. Some of the old Ram Chargers here. There's one, two. There's another one on the end of those. A Dodge 4-wheel drive in between. Probably hear snow crunching under my feet as I'm walking. There's some more of the older Dodge cars. 68 Fury, 3 Diplomats and Darts and Diplomats and Montegos and the other old Fury and Valaris and Dusters. Go back through here a little bit if I can get through all the trees without getting snow all over me. Was gonna go that way, but the way the trees are snow packed, the limbs are leaning down. I believe I may just go around this way. through here without falling. Mustangs. Galaxy. Little blue Mustang sitting down there. Mercury Cougars. Buick Regals. We'll probably turn and make us a right here, even though there's cars all through in front of us, up through there, over this way, on up through there, down through the holler, down through there, up the other hill, but we're gonna go this way for right now. Two-door Cadillac. Mach 1. It's crazy the way the trees with the snow on them, the branches bent down, just hide the cars that's in here. I actually have to duck down to get through here. There's cars all in there, you can't even see them. Impala 64. Another 64. Malibu Classics. Regal. Cars all down through that way as well. Back down through there on both sides. You can't even see them because of the trees. We're kind of coming into where got some cars stacked up at. I think there's about 80 in this little stack here. I've got different stacks of them, but I think there's about 80 in this stack. A little bit of everything. I don't trip and fall. Try to give you the view of the back through there. Well, I'm going to wind it up on this particular video. Just want to do you guys a little snow day video. I'll be back, do another video really soon for you guys. Y'all have a great day and be safe out there.